Good day and welcome to Fespa. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21. I'm here with John Bootenkamp and Ben Eaton from Starleton, and we're on the Neschen stand, which, guys, is looking very green. What's the message the fairly obvious message that's going on here?
The obvious message is green.
Okay.
It's environmentally friendly. That's the message. We've seen it happening quite a bit already in Australia as well, with people asking for it.
And what does that mean specifically from Neschen?
From Neschen it means non-PVC products. Yeah, so products that are made of PP or PET, so they're either easier to recycle or or made of recycled material, partly there. And obviously, as always with Neschen, Neschen is famous for their Easy Dot technology, and so all the new products are for Easy Dot, for UV, latex, even for indigo now, so they've created one for indigo, which is really good. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And Ben, what's the issue with PVC? Why is Neschen developing a PVC-free product?
Look, obviously the recyclability of PVC is not there, so people are looking for a way to make sure that they've got sustainable products as part of their production. And so Neschen for over 10 years now have been developing products that can go into recycling systems in various regions.
Okay, so if I'm a printer and my customer, which brands are increasingly looking for sustainable products, I can say to them, well, the Neschen is PVC free.
Yes.
That means it's completely recyclable?
Correct, that's right. Yeah. So they've been very focused on making sure that last step, which is the recyclability of the product, is possible.
Okay, and John, in terms of the printability of the product, of the PVC free, and also the installation, are the properties similar to regular media?
Yeah, I would say 90% of the product it is, yeah. It's obviously, if you think about specifically PVC and you think about wrapping and that sort of stuff, so that's obviously, PVC is obviously slightly better there, but also not just Neschen, but so we supply 3M. 3M have a car wrap film that's PVC free, so obviously, yes, and from a printing point of view, we've shown the prints to several printers and they've done some test prints. They love the print because in the end, especially the PP and the polyester, because it's such a nice matte material, the print quality is actually better than on some of the PVCs. Yeah.
Okay, well that's great to hear, because obviously there's a big drive for sustainability from the brands in particular. Neschen doesn't just supply media though. Ben, we're standing in front of a piece of equipment here. Can you tell us what this is?
This is the 1650 cold lamp, one of the 1650 range from Neschen. Neschen were the first company ever to launch a laminating machine back in 1974. Photokina, I think you said, Johnny?
Yeah, Photokina.
So I mean, it's right in their DNA, and certainly in the DNA of Starleton. You know, we're arguably have the most expertise when it comes to wide format lamination in Australia and New Zealand.
Okay, and what makes the Neschen laminator, because obviously there's a few laminators on the market, what makes the Neschen laminator stand out?
The laminating process is obviously the last part of the production process, and so you want to make sure that you've got reliability and guaranteed results, and that's what you get from a Neschen laminator. You know, absolute confidence that you're not going to ruin the print that's taken some hours to produce.
And is that down to the German engineering?
Definitely, but also just the knowledge that they've had over the 50 odd years. You know, that's all inside the mechanics of the machine that allow that ease of operation. And you know, with unemployment being so low, lack of expertise on the floor, you just want a machine that you can easily train somebody on and isn't over complex, because there is some nervousness, if you like, around the lamination process. Generally, we find.
Yeah, well, it's the last process, isn't it? If you stuff that up, you've got to go back to the start.
Yeah.
All right, well, listen, Ben, John, thanks so much for taking the time to share with Print 21 what's going on in the Neschen stand, and all the best. This stand is here, and you're going to be showing all this kit at Pack Print as well, I understand.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, so Pack Print's the end of the month. Come along, everyone in Australia, and you'll see Ben, you'll see John at Pack Print, and they'll talk you through the sustainability benefits of Neschen. This is Wayne Robinson signing off on the Neschen booth at Fespa.